Hello everyone, I am Devranjani from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about how to fix the issue of com.android.smspush has stopped. First of all, what is com.android.smspush? Com.android.smspush is used to send SMS that controls or handles a device. It is for tethering connectivity. It uses the exact same services to receive and accept the SMS messages, and these messages address all the apps. Not just this, it can also address a particular application. The package name is com.android.smspush. This APK or application is downloaded a lot of times by the user externally. The memory of com.android.smspush is 0.01 MB. Uses of com.android.smspush. It is a by default system application used by the company or operators for informing the user about all the updates. Most of the people think this application is a virus, which it is not. It does not have any malicious code, but this condition is limited only if you have not rooted your device. How to download SMS Push APK? Clicking on Google Chrome, search for com.android.smspush. Click on the link that says APK Mirror. Then click on Download. It will be downloaded easily in the Downloads folder of your device. How to fix com.android.smspush stopped working? Locate the APK first in your device, then force stop it. If this does not fix the issue, then clear the cache and data of the package and restart the device. This will fix the issue of the application not working. If you want to know more details, please check out our Gossipfunda blog. The link to the blog is given in the description box below. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe.